bear spray, compass, flashlight. Are you heading out on a day trip and want to make sure you're prepared for your hike? Let me take you through a list of what we typically pack for a day hike. First things first, we want to make sure we're prepared and we have a safe hike. First, you always want to check the weather. If it's going to rain, you might want to take a jacket with you. 2, calculate the amount of water you're going to need based on the intensity and duration of your hike. Normally you need about 16 ounces for every hour of hike. Number 3, check the sunset because you want to get back in time before the sun goes down. So the fun part, let's get into the gear we're going to need.
Let's run through those categories: navigation, animal deterrents and first aid, tools, food and water, and extra clothing. In the navigation category, we have a good old-fashioned paper map, a satellite communicator and GPS navigation device, and of course a compass. In the next category, bite and sting kit, first aid for our dogs and for ourselves, bug spray, and depending on the area you're hiking, bear spray. In the tool category, we'll typically carry a pocket knife, multi-use tool, fire starter, and a flashlight. Up next is food and water, whether it be a bottle or a bladder in your backpack. And I would love to bring nachos, but in this case, they're nutrition bars. Extra clothing will vary depending on your location and preference. Here's a list of what we typically carry. To be comfortable on your hike, clothes can make all the difference. My preference is moisture-wicking shirts and pants, or shorts, hiking boots with wool and synthetic blend socks, and if you want to get through the trail a little faster, trail dog.
Now we're packed for anything nature can throw our way, at least for a day trip. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and share with some friends and family that might find it interesting, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get out of here. See you next time. Don't trip.